Alright, we got the CRF50F, and the customer states it's been sitting for about a year and a half and won't start. And I took a whiff of the good old petroleum tank and it smells like money, so let's clean this carb. Alright, we got the carburetor off the bike. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, this is the bottom of our float bowl. Looks like there's some goodies in there. Here's our jet, as you can see. Pretty gross. She cleaned up nice and good, looking pretty good. Alright, she's put back together. Let's throw it on the bike. Alright, we got the carburetor cleaned. We got fresh gas in it. This little weird thing right here, I had to bypass the key because the customer forgot to give me the key for the ignition. And we're ready to now start it, so we're going to go ahead, give it a kick, see if it starts. Look at that. We love when it starts.